Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how to use if formula in our data. So stay tuned, don't skip the video and watch till the end. I made a very simple example where there are different students have a different scores like in physics, chemistry, biology, maths, and there is an average column which is showing the average of all these scores. What I want, based on criteria, I want to assign the result which is in form of pass or fail. So what is my criteria? My criteria is if score is greater than 50, then student should be pass, and if score is less than 50, then student should be fail. So I want this result based on this criteria. So what I will do, I will use the if formula. If formula is basically a conditional formula. It defines the condition and give you the result according to your condition. Let's start writing the formula without wasting any further time. It starts with is equal to if. On very first, this is a formula, press tab. First thing you can see is a logical test. Logical test, in other words, you can say it's the condition, it's the criteria which you want formula to look for. So what is my criteria? My criteria is if this cell, click on this cell, if this cell is greater than the 50. So what I want, if the cell is greater than 50, I type 50, then press comma. Now second thing is value if true. What if this criteria meets? If this criteria meets, then I want the result from this cell reference. If I click on this cell reference, it will call its reference. I can also type the word manually. In quotation, I can write pass. So if the criteria meet, it will show me the result, the word pass. But I would recommend that use a cell reference. The reason behind that is if anything changed in that cell, so it will reflect in formula as well. So click on this cell and then press F4 to fix it, then press comma. So next thing is value if false. What if the criteria doesn't meet? If criteria doesn't meet, then I want the result should be the fail. Click on this cell, it will call its reference cell, then press F4. Now you are done, the formula is complete. The close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see the first result. If I want to copy down the formula, just drag from the bottom, so it will copy on all the cells. Now you can see based on the criteria, only one student is not meeting the criteria because his score is 46, which is less than 50. That's why its result is fail. Other than that, all the students are passed because their grades are more than 50. I wrote down the formula for you ease, guys. It starts with is equal to logical test, comma, result if true and result if false. So very simple formula, very easy to learn formula. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.